Opportunity cost is a fundamental concept in the field of microeconomics that holds great significance for economic graduates. It refers to the value of the best alternative foregone when making a choice or decision. In simpler terms, it represents what you give up in order to gain something else. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an example. Imagine you have $500 and you are deciding between buying a new smartphone or investing it in stocks. If you choose to buy the smartphone, your opportunity cost would be the potential return on investment you could have earned from the stocks. Conversely, if you invest in stocks, the opportunity cost would be the enjoyment and utility derived from using the smartphone. Opportunity cost also applies to various economic scenarios. For instance, a country that dedicates resources to producing one good sacrifices the production of another good. This trade-off showcases the idea of opportunity cost at a societal level. Furthermore, on an individual level, opportunity cost manifests in everyday choices. Going to a concert might mean sacrificing a night of studying, while attending a job interview may mean passing up on an afternoon with friends. In both cases, the opportunity cost is the alternative use of your time. Understanding the concept of opportunity cost is essential for economic graduates as it helps analyze decision-making in various economic situations. By incorporating the concept into their analysis, they will gain valuable insight into the true cost of their choices and create sound strategies for optimal resource allocation.